So let's dive in.
He's one of the most prolific scorers of our time, and this is every goal that he has scored.
Using his company's technology to help people make sense of complex issues.
Building people's resilience against vulnerability, risk, and deprivation, and helping them to get on their feet.
10 to 20% of people with COVID-19 are responsible for 80 to 90% of infections. That fact totally blew up my mental model of how this disease was spreading.
Look at how these super spreader events really blow out the virus in our community. 80% of the cases that come through are from people that are in super spreader events.
The more red and higher off of the map, the more CO2 per household. And by doing this, you can see what essentially looks like a crater.
Tell me who the founders of this company are. And so we're asking a question that's relative to that dot that's being shown.
Relationships are actually organized within such a piece of tissue.
You don't see borders. You see people. Like literally looking at population density. Such thing as the average person. That each of these numbers is representative of us.
We have a button here that asks AI for context. And so now in this box here, we're getting some context around what was actually happening at that time.